Jesus, is that you coming through? Maybe it is, maybe it's not. Maybe you're not the guy I thought you were. I thought you had my back, but now I'm sitting on my back on the curb.
It's Jesse James, motherfucker.
Fuck that guy, but listen to what I'm saying, cause I'm spitting raw. Coupled with my dog, he crazy. And I always learned that God would have my back, but today he's lazy. He ain't have my back at all. Yes, I got my job back. Whoop-de motherfucking dupe. How about you increase my pay? How about that? And I'm chilling with my guy. Call him E. A lot of people wonder why. Cause he is eternally above all you other motherfuckers.
Step right out of the night. I'm the guy you would ask questions to and be forked in the road, and definitely you need something that will help today. You're going insane in the temple you left, and the eyes that stare out of blind spots, holes to death, and bear witness in an ice house, cause a strange hole entity facing the clock, mind clock sharpened, 2D too many clients, haunting evil, all aboard skyboard, fly out of trunk and skydive out of death and reach upon the land of soul, risen to visit, to hand it the planchet in the temple. I stare out of blind spots, 2 holes in the depth, dots in your life will cross tonight.
And they will cross your road. And they will cross you. Call me Doc, I'm the one coming through. Showing love for my crew. And I don't fuck around at all. I just turn into glue, cause everything I say stick. Everyone that listens to my word gets stuck with my wording. And when I word it, and motherfuckers talk around like a book club, listen to it. And I be going on, I don't give a fuck. And I be turning up, but they already know what I'm about. Yeah, they already know what I'm about. Cause I'm the ice truck right now.
We're the ice truck rolling through with hooks of pain and that remains an aint. An ice truck ninja for the time awaits inside. We're the ice truck ninjas.
Yeah. We're the ice truck ninjas rolling through. We're the ice truck ninjas rolling.
That's my own defeat. Or maybe I didn't come with the right shoes for this match. And maybe we can find certain shit. Maybe we'll die alone and heavenly bless me when I find a tone. Certainly across the dot will come.
Bring me back home. The dot will bring me back